Yes, guys, see there? Some drop before some, you know? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today guys, I am going to show you guys how I make my Johnny cake. Okay? So you see, before you are going to this video, pause right there and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Next thing, run over to my sister page, Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. That's VIA''S Kitchen and Lifestyle, and subscribe to our channel. Our link will be in the description box below. So guys, yes, so I have my flour here, using some baking powder, my salt here, and I'm going to prepare a canned pink salmon, you know. So yes guys, I know you have to use oil and all of that, so just stay tuned. Thorough. I don't want to make too little bit, and I don't want to make too much. So guys, I want to this too little bit. Why the house are full of food, you know? Food does waste. Like if you live in my house, you'd be happy. Food waste at this house, yeah. Literally. You can't tell me what to do, eh, where we go, eh, how to just ask me why myself, my cool. Yes, my cool. We have eater in the house, but guess so. We don't like when the house too hot, so everybody have a eater in them room separate. So, oops, I make a mess. So yes guys, I go by pouring my baking powder, and then I'll put in some salt. So yes guys, I don't want too much salt, you know, not too much, you know what. Guys, and I also sometimes I just put a little old milk in it because they give it a look nice taste there, you know. Some people just put sugar in there, you know. Sometimes if my mind tell me put sugar in there, I put it in there. But before I put the old milk in it, if y'all want to make a Johnny cake, you see these 3 ingredients that I use: the flour, the salt, and the baking powder. That you could just do it like that if you don't want mixing heap of stuff, but I'm showing you how I make mine. So I'm gonna go by throw some old milk in it. I'm not using too much because I'm gonna add a little water, you know. So yes guys, some of your own way, some a little bit swat. Hey, hey. So in trouble when I bubble. This one make you feel trouble. Bubble and up, bubble and up, bubble and up, bubble and up, bubble and up. Get some water. Yes, guys. You know this I got cold because guess why? I put the milk in it. Oh my god. Oh. Hands are clean, you know, and already washed. So you know say I'm already. So just to show you what I do. I get all of this together, you know. There is me alone. I don't have nobody for all the cameras, so you have to stay with me. So yes guys, see, don't know if my camera is set upside it down, but I'm adding some water. I could throw all of this because I know say it now go thing. So yeah. Guys, I don't use two hands to mix my flour. I just need one hand. I don't need no two hands. You know? Yep. Guys, I don't want to go some flour kind of wet, but I like to mix it like this. You know? But the trick to this now, when I then roll it, if you feel like it stick to your hand too much, guess what to do? Just put some oil on your hands. Guys, I learned that in Trinidad when they was doing Polaris. I always wonder. If you're from Trinidad, you know what Polaris is. I love me some Polaris. Polaris with hamburger and toss. Yes, so them you just wonder how the hell they make the dough so soft, but yet they slip off of them hand. I'm ask a Trini and them tell us say they put the oil, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes and then I'll be back. So guys, ready? I made my oil hot and I'm gonna roll them. Why get it smooth now? It's like get it smooth. Like this, and then I have to swell up. Oh man, like a dumpling. Size and fit like dumpling. Girl with big body jumping. Action, ready for the stomping. Fresh type Portland, bitch. Just start in Portland. So yes guys. Guys, see it there? Some drop before some, you know? Yeah, you know what I mean? It's been years since I made this, like years. We just deep it, so I was feeling for this and seafood, you know? So, this is the closest thing to me, and I can make it, so yes. Wait for the finishing product, guys. There you have it, guys. My Johnny cake with pink salmon, and I have a little carrot to the side. Cause you know vegetable is good. I never really like vegetable, you know, but I like carrots, you know. So yes, guys. This is the tin salmon, you know. Yeah. Whew, I haven't made this in a couple of years. Inches, inches, all about my inches. Rock my ear long to the back. Whoa. Yes guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy. Yes guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Curry GOODAS. And what I realized I'm in the kitchen this morning. Yes guys, I'm out.